Rep, watch out lang dito sa, ano namin, sa gray namin. Mainit ulo na ito. Oo. Oo, si Buenas, so naka... Oo. Naritas na. Oh, kamayan muna. Kamayan mo. Kiss mo.
Alam mo, kailan ako na itsura niya. Dati kasi, ang laki ng pinagbago. Pare token.
Game na rin.
Mukha na, kilay.
Oh, ikaw yun, Thomas. Bawal mo dito.
Oo nga. Eh ngayon, alam ko yung gusto ng katawan. Oo, kahit wala ko. Oo nga, kahit manal. Dati kasi parang nag-iba sa kanan. Kumaba o pumayat. Pumayat sa kanan. Sige, pagod ka na. May congrats ah.
Ito naman yung mga bata, sabi niya, tatambulan ng tatlo si Papa.
Umayat si Nicola. Tsaka pinapadayo ko. Oo, dapat na. Wala naman, napagod sa kakasigaw. Pero magandang dapat ko. Magagaling ko pa rin natin. Makakilala ko mga mukha naman. Reading your parents' love like a report card. Pagkakataon mo naman ka sa magulang mo. Galingan ni Coach yan. Pag ano niya yan, naibalik niya ulit yung palo. Pero tigit yung mga video niya. Ano nga eh, iba ka kagabi. Iba nga kagabi. Yan. Nagiging ng hangin ah.
And let's start the ball game. Last game of the night. One H lang, 1H. 2H. 2H. 2H.
Reverse cycle.
Po. Ano tayo? Patakin po tayo, patakin. Patakin tayo. Patakin tayo, Di Guzman. Monroy.
Dami mong followers na.
Sino ba? Patakin tayo guys. Magigayin yung mga tao na. Magigayin yung mga tao na.
Mabilis na nga sa'yo eh. Ganun ang gusto ni Coach Martin. Yung sa kanya, inuusto niya. Tapos sinapapitan natin ko. Paulit-ulit lang ba? Akala ko man. Hindi, yung heart.
Okay, let's start the ball game for our first five in the Boston Celtics. We have Adahar. Villarus. Duenas. Seryoso. Adahar. Susi Dayaw. Adahar with an easy 2 points. Pagmasdan si Duenas. The Unicorn. Monroy. Pass to Legaspi. Legaspi to Yap. 3. What's the call? 3-second violation. Villarus. Sidayaw. Long pass. Adahar. 4-3. No good. Villarus. Umere. No good. Pass to Sidayaw. Floater. No good. Villarus trying to get the offensive rebound. Villarus forcing his way inside using the glass. Easy 2 points. 4-0 agad. Dalawa sa isang tigisin. Bali dalawa. Rekenting with a foul. Honey Ho. Ho with a first personal foul, first team foul. Honey Ho. Ho. Rekenting. Pip the new shoes. First free throw is good. Second free throw. Rekentin is good. Walang sablay. 2 for 2. On the free throw line. Villarus. Oh, with a screen. Villarus uses the glass. Rekentin with a rebound in transition. Finds Monroy with the lefty is good. All 4 na po ang ating score. Mainit ang laban. Pip the shoes. Adahar inside. Loose ball po tayo. Monroy. Trying to find his teammates. Finds Legaspi. And Legaspi gets the foul. Villarus with the first personal foul. Second team foul. Maganda ang laban. Mainit. All 4 ang ating score. Legaspi on the free throw line. Nasasaktan din ng Diyos. God's bleed. Legaspi with a second free throw. No good. Villarus with a rebound. Villarus looking for his teammates. Trying to find an opening. Villarus. Sidayaw lost the ball. Same ball po tayo. Same ball. Sidayaw. Villarus. Sidayaw. Finds Adahar. Pass to Duenas. Back to Villarus. Fakes. Inside. Glass. No good. Rekentin with the rebound. Traveling violation. Please watch your step. Because I'm feeling myself. Monroy. Duenas to Adahar. Risky pass. Pass to Sidayaw. Stolen almost, but Adhar still got cross pass to Villarus. Villarus goes inside, forcing his way in. What's the call, rep?
I-rewind mo.
Number 1.
OA talaga siya.
First personal foul, first team foul.
Tsaka ano, para lang. Kanina pa ako.
Villarus, first free throw is good. Second throw. No good. Regentin. With the rebound. Monroy. Monroy trying to find his teammates. Monroy being forced by 2 people. And it's a foul by Villarus. Villarus with a second personal foul, third team foul. Regentin. Oh! Please watch your step. Carry your luggage at all times while you are traveling. Hands line. Line violation. Yes, throwing. Regentin looking for his teammates. Monroy to Regentin. Regentin. Honey Ho with the top defense. Floater. No good. Honey Ho. Pass to Villarus. Villarus gets fouled. And Monroy with the first personal foul. Second team foul. Unsportsmanlike foul by Monroy.
I found out, boys.
3 minutes po, uupo. Monroy, palamig ka muna, boss. Meron po tayong tubig sa gilid. See you in 3 minutes. Villarus going into the free throw line. Second free throw. It's good. Possession po tayo. Score natin 6-4 in favor of the Boston Celtics. Adhar to Duenas. Back to Adhar. Adhar goes into the screen.
Nice one, illegal screening.
Honey Ho. What are you doing, honey? Honey. With an offensive, illegal screening pala. De Guzman. Duenas. Nakakapa sa gilim. De Guzman. What a great pass to Legaspi. Number 5 with the second personal foul. Penalty. Penalty na po. Penalty. What up, Gabo?
Finally,
In the house.
nakakapagpahinga
Shout out to
natin. Thank you.
Gabo. Come up here. Legaspi into the free throw line. First free throw won't go. 6-4 pa rin ang score. Dalawang kalamangan. It's almost the 5-minute mark. Second, wala po nga. Villarus, pass to Adhar. Adhar in transition. Adhar stolen by De Guzman. De Guzman in transition. 1v1 situation. De Guzman, what can he do? Blocked by Villarus. It's stolen. Villarus finds Villarreal. Oh my God! Matigas yung puno mo eh. Sinayao. Duenas. Ooh! Please carry your luggage at all times. Oras natin, 5 minutes. Malapit na tayong mag-mandatory substitution. De Guzman, Legaspi, drives, using the glass, still won't go. Sinayao, looking for his teammates, finds Villaruz, 1v1 situation. Oh no, almost lost the ball. Finds Adahar, Adahar looking for his teammates. 4-3, no go. They continue to the rebound. Pass to De Guzman, 1v2 situation. De Guzman, hindi mo kakampi ang rep. De Guzman, no good. Napadalawang isip kasi dumaan si rep eh. Papasahan sana. Adahar, Villaruz, Adahar again. Adahar goes inside. And it's a foul by number 45. Mandatory substitution. 15. 15 with the first personal foul. 30 foul. 15 po ba, ref? 15, no? 15. Tama. Mandatory substitution. Mainit ang laban. 6-4 pa rin ang score. 5 minuto na ang nakakalipas. Pag pumasok sa Adhar into the free throw line, the shot won't go. Pag pumasok po, sub po. Pag pumasok. Shot won't go. Pass to De Guzman. De Guzman, Gayoso ang nagmamadali. De Guzman goes inside. Pass to Gayoso. Blocked by James. Legaspi tries to put it back but still not go. Adahar. Baby bro. Baby bro. Pass to Cobb. 4-3. No go. MJ. Pass to De Guzman. De Guzman. Pass to MJ. Oh, what a fake! Oh, what a fake again! What a good find there! MJ, just like old times. Yes, sir. Muscle memory na yan para kay MJ. Adahar. Pass to Big Bro. 4-3. No go. Legaspi with the rebound. Looking for his teammates. De Guzman being pressed by 2. De Guzman with the ball, 3v2, pass to MJ, MJ, automatic, 4-2, MJ. Yes sir, just like in 45. Lamang na po ang Narita Snacks, 2 points, 6-8, Adahar, pass 2, number 3, forcing his shot, but still won't go. Finding their point guard in transition. 3v2. De Guzman Binalik. What an amazing lane for De Guzman. Going into that gap. 6-10 ang ating score. Adahar going to the screen, but still. Big Bro finds number 3, forcing his way in. And who's foul, rep? Who's foul? Number 19 with the first personal ba lang? First personal, warning for penalty. We have a new player, Musti, in the hood. First free throw will go. Second throw. Sir. Now it's a 2-point lead by the Narita Snacks. The best cropping in the country. De Guzman, Leo to MJ, back to Leo for 3. No good. Legaspi with the rebound. Legaspi makes, gets inside, and it's a loose ball. Magandang laban. Dalawa lamang ang kalamangan. 2 minutes and 35 seconds na lamang natitira para sa ating first quarter. Finds in the corner for 3. Automatic, no good. Buski, floater, using the glass. And it's a tie game for Boston Celtics and Narita Snacks. Don't forget your snacks, people. De Guzman to Leo. De Guzman again. De Guzman forcing his way inside. Leo open for 3. Won't go. Adahar. Pass 2. And it's a loose ball. Narita Snacks with the possession. De Guzman forcing his way inside. Finds Legacy in the corner for 3. No good. Rebound by Narita Snacks. De Guzman finds MJ in the middle. And it's a traveling violation. The rules have changed, MJ. It's not 1985 no more. Come on now. Adahar. Muski using the glass, no good. Carloso with the rebound. MJ with the ball. MJ. Look at that pacing. Look at the stature of this man. De Guzman. Trying to find his teammates. Trying to find an opening. MJ. Lost his defender. The shot won't go. Adahar. Spin. In transition. 2v4. Adahar. What a nice pass. What a nice find. And a traveling violation. Number 17. Kuya, talikod ka. Rodriguez. 44 seconds na lang. Running time po tayo. 40 seconds. 2 possessions left. De Guzman. De Guzman. Inside. Last ball. Buski. Finds Adahar. In transition. Oh no! 23 seconds. All 10 ang ating score for our first quarter. All 10 pa lang. Mainit ang laban. Pero huwag niyong kakalimutan, Narita Snacks provides the profit. De Guzman. Floater is good. It's a 2-point lead. Kong, pass na Adahar. The shot won't go. It's 10-12. Dalawang puntos lamang ang kalamangan. We're going into the second quarter.
Isa ko din ako ito. Nag-video-video rin ako. Influencer complete for the same background.
And we're back into the ball game. We're back into the ball game. Oops, ito mo yan. We're back into the ball game. 10-12. Second team. 2. Number 45, 46 pala. Legaspi. Tries to put it back but still no good. Adahar with the rebound. Pass to Villaros in transition. Villaros. Oh no! What happened? Who's foul, rep? Who's foul, rep? Number 15, pushing foul. Second personal foul. First team foul. Leros with the first free throw. Second free throw will go. All 12 na ang score. All 12. Requentin. Libre-libre. Tumira na tres. Villarus with a rebound. Villarus finds at the heart. The pass is too strong. So, to the man in the back. Monroy finds the Gaspi in the corner, finds Yap in the middle. Yap for two, no good. Same ball po tayo. Number 46. Talikod. Bas. Monroy. Requentin, 10 seconds to shoot. Traveling violation. Please watch your step and carry your luggage at all times. Thank you for riding Philippine Airlines. Villarus finds at the heart for three is good. At the heart for three. 12-15 na ang score. Monroy. Oh, Duenas. Falling. Bas. Caught a foul. Who's foul? Number 16. With first personal foul, third team foul. Bas. First throw is good. 15-13. Can he cut the lead to 1 point? Yes, sir. 14-15. Isa na lamang ang kalamangan. Villarus goes into the screen, looking for his teammate. Someone to pass. Cross court. Adahar to Sidayaw. Duenas fakes. Lost the ball. Legaspi. And it's a foul by number 16. Number 16 with a second personal foul. Second team foul. First throw is good. And we're a tie game. A 1 point lead. Yes, sir. 16-15 ang ating score. Villarus. Finds out of a play, forcing his way inside. Duenas, shot. No good. Rebound by Adahar. To Villarus. Fakes. Inside. Eurostep. What's the call? It's a foul. Number 15. Third personal foul. 46. 46, blocking foul. 46 daw, 46. Hindi 15. First personal foul, second team foul. Sidayaw to Villarus. 10 seconds to shoot. Adahar for three. Is good! It's a 2-point lead by the Boston Celtics. Monroy finds the Gaspi. Inside. Ho. Who's foul? Number 46. Timeout, Narita Snacks. 46. 13 foul. Villarus. Villarus goes into the screen. Finds Ho. Floater, no good. Sidaya with the rebound. And a block by Legaspi. 9 seconds to shoot. Adahar. 5 seconds to shoot. Adahar. Shot. No good. And it's a Narita Snacks ball. Monroy. Yap. To Monroy again. Monroy. Trying to set the pace. Then the back pass. Basbas can't get the pass. It's the same ball. Monroy. Second team. 4-3. No good. Rebound by Villarus. Villarus. Pass to Adahar. Adahar to Villarus. Using the glass is good. Monroy. Monroy. 6 minutes for second quarter. Monroy. 10 seconds to shoot. Yup. Fence. Shot. Is good. And a foul. Dave Yap. Yes, sir. Number 11. Third personal foul, 13 foul. 11. Number 11. 11. First personal foul, 13 foul. Villarus goes into the screen. Villarus. Sidayao. Floater is good. Second team, thanks, and a traveling violation. Mandatory substitution. And we're back into the ball game. Adahar behind the back. Crisostomo, 4-3, no good. Leo to De Guzman. De Guzman attacking the middle and gets a foul. Who's foul, Rep? Who's foul rep? Number 6. First personal foul. 14 foul. Warning for penalty. Second one. Galloso! Musni with the rebound. Adahar. 3v3 situation. Crossover. Finds number 17, Rodriguez for 2, no good. De Guzman with the rebound. De Guzman. De Guzman. Who's foul rep? Number 17, Rodriguez.
Wala pa.
Penalty na po tayo. Using the glass. Sir, 4 minutes and 30 seconds for our second quarter. Adahar. Adahar gets into the screen. And it's a foul by number 16. De Guzman. Laking foul. Warning for penalty. Second personal foul. Adahar finds Sabroso in the corner. Back to Adahar. And it's a foul. Number 16. With the third personal foul. Penalty. Galloso with a rebound. Legaspi to De Guzman. Legaspi at De Guzman. De Guzman. MJ. Being guarded by 2. 5 seconds to shoot. De Guzman. Good. Shot clock violation. Adahar. Lifting violation.
Wala.
De Guzman with the ball. Finds Leo. Leo takes. Shot. No good. Sabroso with the rebound. Musni with the ball. In transition. 3v2. Musni spins.
Okay lang.
Foul number 16. Number 16, warning for graduate. Penalty po tayo, penalty. Fourth personal foul, De Guzman, penalty. Legaspi with the rebound. De Guzman with the ball. De Guzman. Legaspi. De Guzman. Almost made it to end. Legaspi steals it. Gets the foul and the bucket. Number 13. First personal foul. Adahar. Musngi inside. Gets the foul. Who's foul rep? Number 3. Gayoso. Number 3, Gayoso with a foul. First personal foul, penalty. Both teams ba? Both teams penalty na po tayo. De Guzman. De Guzman forcing his way inside. Miscommunication. Adahar inside, pass to Sabroso. Sabroso with the shot, no good. Rebound by Legaspi. Legaspi looking for his teammates. De Guzman with the ball. Pass to Legaspi. Legaspi inside. MJ floater, no good. Rebound by Adahar. Trying to find Rodriguez. De Guzman dives for the ball. Adahar can't get the layup. Adahar with the ball. Tries to go for the reset. Shoots a 3. No good. Rebound by De Guzman. 1 minute and 30 seconds left for our second quarter. Our first half. De Guzman using the glass. Unbelievable. What a bucket. Adahar. 1 minute left. Adahar finds Musngi. Musngi using the glass, no good. De Guzman in transition. De Guzman lay is good. Sabroso finds Rodriguez. Rodriguez. 35 seconds left for our second quarter, our first half. Adahar finds Musngi, lost the ball. $20 seconds left. And it's almost, what's the score? 24-27. Doritos Knocks. De Guzman. Gayoso. Pinira. Wala pa rin. Gayoso. Hinabol. Let go. Easy 2 points for Adahar. Last 10 seconds. 5 seconds to shoot. Leo answers the 2. And that is it for our first half. May cool down yung sprint eh. Like 2 seconds sprint lang, nilito na agad. Nakalimang hakbang ka lang. This is our second half. Wala na pong mandatory substitution.
Ayaw yata bukas eh.
Hindi. Sila, anong kalaban namin? Leicester bukas.
Adahar. Lost the ball. Same ball. How many seconds to shoot? Adahar. Traveling violation. Monroy. Leo. Legaspi. Inside. Forcing his way in. Forcing with the rebound. Villaruz on transition. Villaruz. Rumaragasa. Monroy. Brigantine. 4-2. Answers. Delay. Adahar, Sidayaw, back to Adahar, fakes, goes inside to Sidayaw, forcing his way inside, finds Adahar in the middle, but still the shot won't go. Monroy, long pass, Villaruz with a steal. Adahar, forcing his way inside, floater, no good, rebound by Legaspi, pass to Monroy, 3v1 transition, Monroy, pass to MJ, 4-2 is good. Adahar, pass to Sidayaw, to Adahar na naman, 4-3, no good, rebound by Monroy in transition, 3v3, Monroy looking for his teammates, Monroy forcing his way inside, behind the back lane, no good, rebound by MJ, pass to Brigantine, 4-2, short, Adahar with the rebound, Villaruz in transition, Villaruz forcing his way, lefty is good. Monroy. Pass to Legaspi. Traveling violation.
Let's go, Boston! Let's go!
Adahar. Villaruz. Loose ball. How many seconds? 12 seconds to shoot. Finds Adahar in the middle. Floater using the glass. Monroy. Giunanga. MJ. Leo. 4-3. No good. Legaspi with an offensive rebound. But still lost the ball. Brigantine. Pass to Monroy. Monroy. Floater. No good. Rebound again. Tries to reverse. Blocked by Sidayaw. Same ball. 32-33 ang ating score. Brigantine to Monroy. 5 seconds to shoot. Lost the ball. Good.
Let's go, Boston! Let's go! Let's go, Boston! Let's go!
32-33. Villaruz. Adahar. Back to Villaruz. Forcing his way inside. Pass to Sidayaw. Back to Adahar. Kick out. Adahar. Mid-range jumper is good. MJ with the ball. Legaspi. 4-3 answers the jumper earlier. Adahar to Musni forcing his way inside, passes Sidayao with the floater, no good. Rebound by Villarus, lost the ball. MJ, pass to Monroy, pass to Regentin for 2, easy 2 points. Adahar with the ball, pass to Villarus, pass to Adahar. So miscommunication. Monroy. Gio Nama. Leo for 3. Let's go! Gets the bucket. 20 seconds to shoot. Adahar for 3. No good. Leo taps the ball outside. Regentin. 1v3 situation. Regentin floater using the glass, but still the shot won't go. Villarus cross over. Sidayao floater, no good. Taps the ball outside. Villarus with the ball. Villarus, oh my god. Hits his head.
Ayos ka lang?
Yes. Villarus. Adahar for 3. Let's go! Gio Nama. Good. Monroy. Legaspi. Trying to find his teammates. Legaspi for 3. No good. Rebound by Musni. To Villarus. To Adahar. Almost lost the ball. Stolen by Legaspi. Pass to Monroy. 3v2 situation. Monroy. Gio Nama for 2. Mr. Automatic. Adahar crosses over behind the back pass to Villarus. Pass to Adahar. Left wide open for 2. No good. Taps outside. Villarus spins. Stolen by Monroy. 2v1 situation. Monroy to Regentin. Using the glass. It's good. Time out. Boston Celtics.
Mag-outing ka muna. Outing ka. Anong page yun dyan?
Alright po. Alright.
Mapanood mo na kalaro ko. Alright.
Pero naka-live po to sa page ng Zenilla. Doon po ako pinag-live.
Sige. Alright vlog.
Haba.
And we're back into the ball game. Villarus going for his teammates. Finds it out. Spins. Shot. No good. Rebound by Leo. Monroy with the ball. Monroy. Setting up the play. Pass to Leo. Left wide open. 3. Rebound by Basbas. Same ball. Nine seconds to shoot. 9 seconds to shoot. Monroy. Finds Giunawa. 5 seconds. Basbas! And it's a foul by Sidayao. First personal foul, first team foul. Sidayao, Villarus, to Adahar, floater, no good, rebound by Leo. What's the call, Rick? Number 19. Loose ball. Substitution. Sabroso out, Adahar in. Villarus, inside. Who's foul, Rem? 46 with a pushing foul. 13 foul. Adahar. Mid-range, no good. Rebound by Regentin. Regentin, long pass to Monroy. Monroy, almost lost the ball. Adahar to Villarus. Villarus to Adahar. Floater. Using the glass is good. Monroy. Monroy with the ball. Nabiling violation.
Wala pang first step eh.
Adahar, stolen by Leo. Leo spins. No good. Villarus. Pass to Musngil. Lost the ball. Pass is too strong. Monroy. Going inside. Lane. No good. Rebound by Sidayao. Pass to Villarus. In transition. Adahar. With an easy 2 points. Time out. Daritas Nuts. De Guzman. MJ answers the 2. Adahar. Foul. Who's foul, Rep? 19, blocking foul. Warning to penalty. Adaha. To Villarus. Inside. Foul. Who's foul, rep? Who's foul? Number 13. First personal foul penalty. Second throw is good. Dalawa na lamang ang kalamangan. De Guzman. Apat na pala. De Guzman, inside, floater, no good, rebound by Adaham. Pass to Villarus. Villarus fakes. Using the glass. 17 to De Guzman. 20 seconds to shoot. Leo, blocked by James. Eight seconds to shoot. De Guzman, 5 seconds to shoot. MJ, left wide, open for 2. Six point 6.1 seconds pa. Six seconds. Musngi. And it's a foul by Basbas. Wave po yung foul kanina. Si Dayaw. Adahar. Inside. A foul by Leo. Di na naman na yung foul. Free throw po, dalawa. Oh. 19 blocking foul. First throw, no good. That is it for our third quarter. And it's the fourth quarter.
Ano, di mapindo? Di mapindot.
It's the start of the fourth quarter. Last quarter na natin for this night. Si Guzman with the ball. Pass to MJ. Double team. De Guzman. To Lee Monroy. Second team. 4-3. No good. Rebound by Adahar. Adahar behind the back. 2v1. Honey Ho. Honey Ho. With an easy 2 points. Monroy to De Guzman. Lost the ball. Monroy. Second team. 4-2. No good. Rebound by same ball. De Guzman stolen by Sidayao in transition. Adahar. All na ang ating score. It's a tie game. Tie game to get the first win. De Guzman penetrating inside. Two-point lead again. Adahar for three. No good. Rebound by Sideo. Pass to Adahar. Adahar inside. Floater blocked by James. Adahar with the rebound again. Using the glass. De Guzman almost lost the ball. Answers that miraculous shot. Honey Ho, Honey Ho, Honey Ho, 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 what are you doing? Oh my God. De Guzman for two. And gets the foul. First personal foul, first team foul.
Jump shot yung malako, gusto ko makita.
Legaspi, what you want? Ah, sige.
Okay po, ingat po.
Hello, hello, hello. Belarus! Oh my God! $53-55, dalawa lang ang kalabawan. 7 minutes remaining. MJ. Monroy. De Guzman. Oh! Sidayaw! Adahan. Stolen by De Guzman. De Guzman. Using the glass. Easy 2 points. Belarus. It's a nice 4-point lead. Stolen by Ligas. Almost lost the ball. Musngi forcing to inside. Gets the ball and the one. Legaspi with third. Legaspi with the third personal foul. First team foul. Bagag. De Guzman. 57-55. What's the call, rep? Lifting. Belarus. Stolen. Gets it back. Adahan. Left side open shot. No good. Musngi. Blocked by James. Oh no. That shot is too strong. De Guzman. 4v2. De Guzman. JJ. The snap. Belarus. 15 seconds to shoot. Winanhan. Grabe. Belarus gets the 2 and the 1. Number 14. Second team foul. Rebound, Musngi! Making sure that basket is in.
Nice, dalawa.
On 59. It's a tie game, people. 5 minutes remaining. De Guzman. De Guzman. Monroy. Monroy. Shot clock violation. Adahan. Belarus. Left wide open. Fakes. Shimmy. Almost lost the ball. Adahar inside to Belarus. Into Adahar. Lays it up. Oh, good. Legaspi. Long pass to De Guzman. Walang kasunod. Lays it up. Easy 2 points. Stolen by De Guzman. MJ does not disappoint. Easy 2 points for MJ. Counted.
Ay, nice. Kinasa.
Graduate na po, De Guzman. Busni, fouls Villarus. Leo with a foul. Caught a body in the air. 19. Graduate na din. Isa-isa na silang gumagraduate. Foul na po. Isa-isa na silang gumagraduate. Free throw is good. Legaspi. Monroy, 10 seconds to shoot. MJ still trying to keep the team alive. Villarus gets the foul. Warning for graduate. Ito ba? Or third? Third pa lang?
Nung sa ano? Sa
Third pa lang, third foul. Third personal foul. Second team foul. 63. 63. Ayan na. Tatlong kalamangan. Villarus finds at the half. Puts up a shot. No good. Rebound by Requintin. 4v2. 4v2. Requintin almost has a ball. Oh my God. It's a miss. Villarus. Bas. Wala na. Fourth personal foul. 14th foul. Warning to penalty na po. Ang Naritas Knox. Villarus. Goes over the screen, looking for his teammates. Stolen! One Monroy. Almost lost the ball. Finds at the half for the... Yes, sir! All 66 of score. Monroy. To Legaspi. Monroy. MJ. Oh, lost the ball. Timeout, Boston Celtics. minutes of the game. Lamig. Villarus goes into the screen. Villarus passes in the yard. Nice play. Monroy. Pass to Legaspi. Legaspi. Lost. Regentin has it back. It's a foul by the Har. What's the third personal foul? Penalty. Third team foul. Nagpagkaboses eh. Game. Oo. Monroy. Wait. 15 seconds to shoot. Regentin for 3. Musiki with the rebound. Villarus. Last 2 minutes. Loose ball. Ball. Monroy inside. Legaspi. Shot is good. Villarus. Umarangkada. Si Basbas. Okay ka na, pare. Okay ka na. Inuubos ko. $69-68. 1 minute and 45 seconds. Kalmahan mo lang. One minute and 45 seconds remaining. Ito na. Monroy. Regentin. Tinira. No good. Pinulikat. Villarus. Injury. Injury timeout. Injury.
Pag ano, kulang pa sa IUD. Usually, it's the muscles tightening. So kulang pa sa IUD. Need to rehydrate.
Villarus. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Blocked by James. Not in my house. 5 seconds. Shot clock. 69-68. Isa lamang ang kalamangan ng Boston. Out. Doritos Knox. 5-second shot clock. Sinayaw, Adahar. Shot for three! Yes, sir! That boy is made for this time. Brigandine inside, gets a foul. 72-68. Sir, 69-72. Tres ang Kalamangan. Dalawang possession pa. 50 seconds left. Villarus. Adahar. Musgi. 10 seconds to shoot. Musgi. Huli. 5 seconds to shoot. Huli. Legaspi. Good. 72-71. Isa lamang ang Kalamangan. 30 seconds. Adahar. Villarus. 10 seconds to shoot.
10 seconds.
Uy. Villarus. For three.
Oh my gosh.
Gayoso. Light ball po, light ball.
Point na sila. We have one possession.
Zero point nine. Very good. 74-71. GG's.